Welcome to my channel, PeekAboo-AI Surveillance. We explore how AI is used in video and audio surveillance. If you're new, please subscribe. Don't miss out on crucial AI surveillance news and information. Links for tutorials are in the description. To all returning subscribers, welcome back. Enjoy the tutorial. The era of fixed prices is dead. AI algorithms now drive dynamic pricing in vending machines. Prices change based on time, demand, inventory, or venue. What does dynamic pricing mean in vending? Several pricing behaviors are lumped together. Time-based pricing shifts prices by hour or day. Demand-based pricing responds to sales. Inventory-driven pricing discounts products nearing expiry or markdown event. Or venue pricing applies temporary premiums or discounts at concerts, stadiums, or travel sites. Remote price management allows changing prices from a dashboard without a physical visit. Dynamic pricing should never feel deceptive. The displayed price must be accurate at purchase. Prices shouldn't change during selection. A drink might cost more on a hot afternoon or during rush hour. Location is another factor. Office machines may hike prices in the morning or high-traffic areas. Not all customers pay the same. Operators differentiate pricing between employees and visitors. Vending operators make small, quiet price adjustments to protect margins, not always price gouging. Ingredients, packaging, fuel, and servicing eat into margins. Smart operators adjust proactively. Dynamic pricing is useful but carries trust risks. Customers in corporate settings assess prices. If prices seem overpriced, businesses lose out. What are your thoughts? Have you seen these AI vending machines? Many thanks for checking out my tutorial. Links are in the description. Please subscribe for more AI surveillance info. Check out the thumbnails for similar content. And don't forget, PeekAboo-AI. See you now.